MDB came out with another way to generate yield. It's on Cone Exchange. We're going to take a look at it right now. Welcome back to APY Guy Crypto and DeFi, where I try to bring you the best projects and information in the crypto space. If you like crypto and decentralized finance, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Who is that guy? Okay, to get USD Plus, we go to bsc.overnight.buy. And you're going to need BUSD, I believe. That's what I'm going to swap with. So I'm going to go to Mint USD Plus, and I'm going to use BUSD. I'll just do 20 bucks. And then you're going to approve the token. We're going to approve BUSD, so you'll need some BNB in your wallet to approve the token. Hit confirm. And once that's confirmed, I think then I'll swap for USD Plus. USD Plus, you get, looks like it's a auto compounding stablecoin. Confirm transaction. I don't know a ton about it yet. I haven't done a ton of research, but I wanted to get a quick video out showing how to pair this with MDB Plus. Get some pretty sweet yield. We're waiting for the confirmation. Okay, it went through, and it shows that we have it. There it is. We need to get MDB Plus for half of our liquidity pair for the farm. It's app.mdb.fund. That's Xenia, which is the app protocol. We go down to MDB Plus. We're going to buy. We need our BNB in our wallet. So I'm going to take 0.05 BNB. Let's just do 0.1 BNB. And hit buy. And this sends it, and it automatically puts it back into our wallet. This is the coolest swap ever on here. So you send BNB, and MDB Plus automatically appears in your wallet in a minute or two. Okay, the transaction went through. We have our MDB Plus. Okay, to provide liquidity, we're going to cone.exchange/swap. And once we're there, we're going to go through the acknowledgement. We're going to connect our wallet. And we're going to be on BNB. We're going to go to liquidity. Okay, we want to go to the MDB Plus USD Plus stable pool. We want to create an LP. Go ahead, max on USD Plus. Add liquidity. Confirm in our wallet. I like how they have this over on the side, showing exactly step by step what's happening. Notifications. Looks like it went through. Let's go down to the pool. Hit edit. Look that we have an LP token. Select LP. Hit max. Hit stake LP. Hit confirm. Okay, it's staked, and it shows that we're getting 141 to 341% APR. It shows my stake here. The total stake already, there's a ton in here. Well, not a ton, but 30,000 of each, over 30,000. Okay, that is step by step how you get both tokens, how you add liquidity, and how you stake them. If we go to rewards, I just saw this that I'm already getting some Cone rewards. I'm not sure how much they're worth. And then you also get fees from from providing liquidity for the MDB Plus and USD Plus tokens. I'm going to do a little deeper dive on these protocols to give you a little better idea of exactly what they do, but I really wanted to just get out a video showing how to get some of this yield because it's really good APRs right now. All right, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate you watching. Thank you and have a great day.